Hey guys, we are back on the road again after being in Rochester for a few weeks, and we just had breakfast with my parents, and now we're back on the road heading south, and we are going to be going all the way back to Tampa, Florida. We're going to be stopping in Pennsylvania to see some of my relatives, and then DC and some other fun stops along the way, so we're really excited about that. And of course, Brian is driving, my love.
Of course.
Hi, dear.
Hello.
So, we're all packed up and ready to go. And starting to get a little chilly here in New York, so thought it was a good time to start heading south. And it's beautiful with all the trees turning still and all the fall leaves, so that's really cool. So we're really excited about our drive down to Tampa, and we'll show you lots more along the way as we head down. I just wanted to show you that we're back on the road. It's October 15th, and so really beautiful fall leaves for the next few states here. So we'll show you lots of that, and we'll show you everything we do along the way. So just wanted to check in, let you know where we're at. Lots more to come soon of cruising with the Carries. Hey guys, we are now in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. We really wanted to just stop here and walk around. We've never really seen this downtown area. It's only a couple blocks long, but Williamsport is known for being the Little League World Series is always held here every year. And we always go by the field on the way into town, so we wanted to check out the downtown. And it's really cool. We really like it here. Not a lot going on at the moment, of course. It's in the middle of the day, but we did just get some coffee at the Alabaster Coffee Roasters here, and it's really good. So we're out exploring for a little bit before we get back in the van and continue on south. Our destination tonight is Jonestown, Pennsylvania. So we'll show you more along the way. And here we are in Williamsport. Hey guys, we are here at Hershey's Chocolate World in Hershey, Pennsylvania. I used to come here as a kid all the time, and it was so much fun. And I haven't been in a really long time, but I'm really excited about being here. We're gonna go on the free tour. It takes you through like a fake chocolate factory of how they do stuff. So I'm really excited to show you guys and to show Brian, of course. So we're gonna go inside and check it out.
It's the milk we make runs at the heart. Sweet inspiration from the very start. And you can taste the love all over the world. Got that feel good feeling there.
On the Hershey Chocolate World tour.
Fun at the factory, everybody! Taste the love. Taste the love.
The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate pearls.
The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
Hey guys, we just took the Hershey's Chocolate World tour. Hopefully you can hear me, and now we're at the Hershey's largest candy store. And there's also like a food hall here too. And it's huge now. It didn't used to be this big when I was a kid, but now it's really large. But it's really cool, and we're having a good time. It's super rainy out, so good to be inside out of the rain.
Hey guys, we're here today on a cold and windy day in the capital of Pennsylvania. We're in Harrisburg. Behind me is the Pennsylvania Capitol building. So we're gonna go in, check it out. There's tours every half hour, and they open at 7 till 5, so it's one of the longer opening times for a state capitol building. But it looks beautiful from the outside, so I hope you can hear me, but we're gonna go check it out. So let's go inside the Pennsylvania State Capitol building.
Hey guys, we are inside the state capitol in Pennsylvania here. We decided to not go on the 11:30 tour since there was going to be lots of 4th graders. The whole 4th grade class is here. But we're taking our own tour, and it's really beautiful here. And I'll show you another view of the dome from the downstairs in a minute. But it's really cool. You can see it pretty well up here too. So really cool Capitol building. This is our 39th state capitol building, which is pretty cool. So it's a really beautiful one here too. So we'll take some more video, and we'll show you lots of photos too. We are now in the Pennsylvania State Senate room. It is beautiful. It's green marble that we're seeing everywhere, and really beautiful ornate chandeliers, and just gorgeous. There's 50 state senators here, and there's all these stained glass windows on the sides here depicting things like history and all those types of things, legislature and foundries. So really beautiful place here at the Pennsylvania State Capitol building. We are now in the House room, in the House chamber, and it is beautiful and huge. Tons of desks. But it's really beautiful. If you've never checked out your state capitol building, we highly recommend it. Most of the buildings are really beautiful. Pennsylvania is obviously gorgeous. And also lots of beautiful stained glass in here too. You can see some right there on the sides here. Really beautiful room. Here is another view of the downstairs looking up at the dome. It's a really beautiful staircase here too. Such a beautiful state capitol building. Hey guys, we are in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. We're really excited about being here. Brian's good friend Julia, our good friend Julia, told us to come here. And they have a pickle festival that happens in May. I was reading all about it, but actually they have a farmer's fair this weekend. It starts today. So we're gonna go around and explore here and just see what Gettysburg is all about, and hopefully get some pickles. One of the things they make at Pickle Festival is pickle soup, and sometimes I think some of the restaurants still have it, so if we find it, we'll have to try it. I've never had pickle soup before, but I'd be up for it. So it's really neat, and this is a really cute old town. This was actually taken over by the Confederate Army twice during the Civil War. I was reading about it, so there's lots of history here. So we're gonna go explore and see what Dillsburg, Pennsylvania is all about. Love the name. So let's go explore.
Hey guys, we are now in southern Pennsylvania in Gettysburg. We're actually on the battlefield right now, and behind me is the largest memorial on the entire battlefield, which is to, of course, the Pennsylvania dead, as Gettysburg is in Pennsylvania. This battlefield is humongous, and there are just monuments left and right as far as you can see. So we're going to be for a little bit driving around. It's almost a 30-mile loop around this thing, so it's a huge battlefield. We just drove through the town as well, which is really neat, so we're going to go back there after this. But yeah, we're here checking it out. So here we are at the Pennsylvania monument here at the Battle of Gettysburg in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania.